Along with these ingredients, we will be using 2 teaspoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and some white vinegar. So this is how I cut my carrots to get the shape that you will see shortly. Now I'm moving on to cutting my onions. Here I've got a chocho, otherwise known as chayote. What I'm doing here is to take out the soft seed before peeling. After peeling, I am going to be cutting my chocho. You can cut it in whatever shape you like, but this is how I'm going to do mine. So now I'm moving on to the main ingredients, which is the Scotch bonnet pepper. Be careful as this is very hot. If you want, you can use gloves while cutting these peppers. Before chopping my Scotch bonnet peppers, as you saw, I took out the stems. Here are all my ingredients chopped and ready to be used. So now I've got the white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. So what I'll be doing is to add my vinegar in a pot on low flame, add the sugar and the salt, mix and leave to cool. So we'll be leaving it on low flames for about a minute. Remember not to boil. We just want it to be warm. So here I'm putting in my chopped vegetables, and then I'll be adding in the vinegar, then leave to cool. Once it's cool, you can put on your lid and store in your fridge for as long as you want. So this is our pickled pepper. It is smelling absolutely delicious, lovely. I can't wait to put it on my fish or whatever you want to try on. If you like this video, please leave us a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching. Until the next vlog, take care.